Mellett jött a mögött.
How cute. These are canaries. This is the dad. And that's the mom. These are the quails. These are the budgies. These are the small budgies. These are the quails. She's got eggs. And that's the male. The other is the female. These are some of our small ones.